Creating an awesome Discord navbar is easier than you think. Let's begin. Start by creating a frame with a width of 1280 pixels and height of 72 pixels. Set the frame to auto layout by pressing Shift A and also set the height and width to fixed. Thereafter change the color to 404 ED. This is the color code of Discord. After that, add the logo of Discord. Then we add all the links one by one. By pressing T, I will add the text and then duplicate the layers 7 times because there are 7 links. We can duplicate the layers by pressing Ctrl D. Thereafter, we change the inner text of all the elements. Ensure that all text have 16 pixels of font size and semi-bold. I am using Mukta font for all the text. Thereafter, select all the links and set to auto layout and give it a 40 pixel gap. Now we add a button. For creating the button, we will choose the text tool and input the inner text and press the Shift A to make auto layout and give it 16 pixel x-axis and 10 pixel to y-axis padding. Thereafter, fill the layer by white color and change the inner color to black. Set the font to medium and make it 30 pixel rounded. After that, select the frame and give the gap to auto. Align it to the center and give x-axis padding to 40 pixel. That's it. Your Discord navigation bar is ready. So thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design content.